Hello and welcome back to How to Grow Taller, where we break down science and share smart tips to help you look and feel your best. Today's video is something many of you have probably been waiting for, especially if you're looking for quick fixes now that natural growth may no longer be an option. We're going to talk about something you can change instantly, how to make yourself look taller. Whether you're still growing or have already reached your final height, these simple hacks can make a huge difference in how tall you appear, no matter your age. Let's kick things off with the first and most obvious factor: your clothing choices. This is the first thing people notice, and it has a big impact on your appearance. To create the illusion of height, choose outfits with vertical stripes, slim fits, and monochrome colors that naturally draw the eye up and down. On the other hand, baggy clothes or horizontal stripes can make you look shorter and wider. So if you want to add some visual height, just remember: slim, clean, and vertical. Now focus on something that's equally important: your footwear. Footwear can give you an instant height boost. Height-boosting sneakers, boots with thicker soles, and inserts can add 1 to 2 inches to your height. But here's the key: you should go for natural-looking lifts. If the shoes look too chunky, they can throw off your proportions and actually make you look shorter. Next, let's talk about how something as simple as your posture can make a big difference in your height and appearance. Standing tall with your shoulders back, chin up, and spine straight can make you appear up to 1 inch taller instantly. On the other hand, poor posture, such as slouching or leaning forward, compresses your frame and makes you appear shorter than you are. Remember, practice standing tall whenever you can. Besides that, here's something you might not have overlooked: your hairstyle can actually change how tall you look. Adding volume on top like a quiff, bun, or layered cut draws the eyes upward and elongates your frame. For guys, avoid overly flat styles that make your head look smaller. For girls, a high ponytail or bun can be a simple yet effective height hack. But it's not just about the clothes or hair. It's also about how you present your body proportions. High-waisted pants or skirts make your legs look longer, especially when paired with tucked-in tops. Avoid clothes that cut your body in half visually, like oversized belts or long shirts that hide your waistline. The golden rule? Just focus on making your legs look longer and keeping your upper body balanced. Lastly, let's discuss how your walk and presence can contribute to your perceived height. Height isn't just about physical stature, it's about presence. People naturally appear taller when they walk with confidence, take steady strides, and maintain eye contact. Think about celebrities. Many of them aren't as tall as they look, but their posture, style, and energy make them seem taller than they really are. Make sure to stand tall, walk with purpose, and keep your head high, as these simple actions will boost your confidence and add inches to your presence. So, let's quickly recap all the tips we've covered today. 1. Wear vertical lines and fitted clothes. 2. Choose shoes with a natural lift. 3. Stand tall with good posture. 4. Add height with smart hairstyles. 5. Play with body proportions. High waist is your best friend. 6. Carry yourself with confidence. Remember, while genetics mostly determines your actual height, the way you present yourself can change how tall people perceive you. And that's it for today's video. Which of these tips will you try first? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed growth and lifestyle tips. Thanks for watching How to Grow Taller. Stay confident, stand tall, and we'll see you in the next video.